Hi, and welcome to this quick video on types of project audit. Now, why is this important? As always, we begin our video with why is a topic so important. So, why should you learn about the different types of project audits mentioned in the PMP? Well, first up, to begin with, project manager does not really look forward to project audit. It's not something which is a favorite activity of a project manager in a project, so it becomes utmost important to kind of pay attention to this topic when it comes to the exam. And then of course there are different types of audits. So in our project management experience, we may or may have not faced all these audits, and so understanding the difference between them is actually the key to get the answers related to project audits right in the exam. So let's deep dive and understand the different type of project audits. And we begin with the first one, which is simply an audit. What exactly an audit? So audit is just a QC process. It's a quality control process, and it inspects the product of the project. So the product that has been built by the project, it will inspect it. So again, this process is a monitoring and controlling process, and it is done after the product is built. Then we come to quality audit. Now, what exactly is quality audit? We just talked about QC, quality control. Now we are talking about QA, quality audit. What exactly is it? So quality audit is not about your product. It is about your project. So it will be done by SQA, certain quality auditors assigned by your own company to figure out whether you're following the processes or not, the company processes of the project management or not. So these SQAs will come in, they may check your project documents, your meeting minutes and stuff like that to ensure that you are following the company processes. Of course, this is a part of executing process group. The other audit is a risk audit. So risk audit is not actually auditing the risks, it is auditing the risk responses which have been implemented to make sure how effective were these responses. So in this way, we will basically be able to audit and gauge the effectiveness of risk management processes as a whole as well. The fourth type of audit is a procurement audit. And in the procurement audit is not just about auditing what has been procured, but it is about the audit of the procurement process as a whole. So this is part of the procurement's closure process. So which means, of course, this is part of the closing process group. But what it does is basically going over in a structured manner, going over the entire procurement process so that for future projects it becomes easier, and it flushes out issues and it helps to set up lessons learned. So not just for future projects but also for future procurements in the same project as well. So procurement audit is thus helpful. Its focus is only on the entire process of procurement. So those were the different types of audits that we have. Thank you, and do like, share, subscribe and comment, and check out the website pmplounge.com for more such informational videos and articles. Thank you and have a nice day.